Today I will show you some basics of Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign is a software tool used to create extensive print and bring the projects to life. If you're new to Adobe InDesign, you'll need a few InDesign tutorials to get you started. In this lesson, I will teach you 3 basic knowledge of InDesign. Number 1. How to set up a document in InDesign with bleeds. Number 2. How to fill text with an image in InDesign. And lastly, number 3. How to wrap text around images, shapes, and objects in InDesign. You will also learn how to fill with placeholder text and enable or disable hyphenation as a bonus. So let's begin. Here I am working on Adobe InDesign 2021. Most versions are almost the same. So when you open the InDesign software tool, you will find several options in the home page. Here at the left, you can see Create New and Open, as in open a document from before. And there are several presets at the center to go directly. I will go to Create New and you will see the new document page with presets options like print, web, and mobile, depending on the type of document you are creating. If you want to create a document and save as a PDF to print it later on, you will have to create Print Document. These are the document sizes like letter size, tabloid, which is 11 by 17, and many more presets. I will go with the letter size document for now, and here you can see the document details. What you want to name the document. Units, as in pica. Picas are good for graphic designers to learn. I usually go with inches. I'll keep the facing pages on. In this section, it asks how many pages you want in your document. I'll add 6 pages just to show if you want to make a booklet. I'm not going to do anything here. I'll just add bleeds, which is important for printing purposes. So I'll go for 0.125 inches bleed. Now hit create. This is the document I created. Facing pages is like this. It's like a booklet with a cover page and end page. So when your document is ready, if you want to save it, you can go to File, Save. I'll save it in the desktop with a name InDesign Demo and click Save. Now I'll show you how to fill text with an image in InDesign. Click on Type tool and make a big box. Write any word. Increase the font size to maximum you can. Change the font as you want. I usually want a bolder font. Now click on the selection tool, go to the top menu, type, and create outlines. It is like an image now. Click on the corner, drag it by holding Shift key and make it big. Now go to File, Place. I will select a picture and click Open. There you go. Now you have a picture as a text. You can always double click on the text. It will show you the picture that you have and you can resize. I'll hold Shift plus Option and bring it close to make it smaller. You can do that as you want. Last part of this lesson is text wrap. I will also show you how to fill with placeholder text and enable or disable hyphenation. Let's make a text box again. Now I'll go to Type and click on Fill with placeholder text. Now we can see auto-generated text in the box. I will make the fonts a little bigger for you to see it properly. Select all text and increase the size. Now we can see hyphens all over the text, which does not look appropriate sometimes. So to disable it, select all text, go to Paragraph Formatting tool and click to take out the hyphenate. Now you can see the texts are on top of the object. If you want to wrap it around the object without blocking the image with text, click the object, go to Window and Text Wrap. Text wrap options will pop up. Now click on the object if you haven't already and click either Wrap Around Bounding Box, which will wrap the text around the bounding box, or you can select Wrap Around Object Shape. Wrap Around Object Shape will show the area around the object, not the bounding box. Now you can play around and see how it looks. Also, if you think the object barrier is not big enough, you can always increase the offset value. So that's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching. See you next time.